my Lionel train collection. Here's one of my shelves. All the engines I own. A few more engines I have. This is the way down to the basement. Golden Spike. I like history too. I get cheap old posters, train posters that are in good condition. All my old signs. That's an old 7 Pacific GB38, I believe. I have a model of one. Norfolk 7. I drew that in art. My curtains are all Pennsylvania Railroad themed. The GG ones are my favorite. Here's all the engines I have in my fleet. They all work pretty well. These are all the engines in my fleet. Some of these engines are like a few $100s a piece. I've been collecting trains since I was like 10. That Alaska dockside switcher right there, that's the first ever set I got. One of my favorite engines. All these trains are nice. I also have the Hogwarts Express. I have the coaches with this engine. They're on the shelf. I have the Thomas and Friends characters. They all work. They're very cool. I have a bunch of freight cars and passenger cars too. I have a Thomas Friends rolling stock. I have some coaches on that shelf over there too. All the cabooses I have. There's my Erie switcher. All these engines work. Most of them work. Hope you enjoyed that little collection tour. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Chesty John Productions out. Have a great day.